Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome to the fifth episode of Dive into Convos. And today, this morning, I have two fantastic friends of mine, Mariam and Sanjana. How's it going, guys?
It's uh, it's just going.
why
It's
is
just going.
everyone? Why does
There's
everyone?
no good or bad.
Yeah.
What? There is no
Like,
good.
like normally, like if it was like if we were not stuck at home, you would be like, yeah, it was a good day or a bad day.
Yeah.
But like now, there's literally nothing going on in life. So you can't say like, oh, I had a good day or a bad day.
Yeah,
It's just like I had a day.
yeah. It's sad because I normally try to make my intros so it's fresh start. Like, hey guys, how's it going? And then I ask people how they are, and they're just like,
Enthusiastic.
yeah, it's fine.
Going.
Yeah, whatever.
I feel
Just
miserable.
woke up. Yeah,
Anushka,
probably because it's the morning. People wake up at like
hmm,
2 p.m. now.
yeah,
Yeah.
I know. Anushka commented on one of the videos. She's like, stop forcing your guests to wake up in the morning for shooting.
She texted us. She was like, "Is he forcing you?" I was like, "No, no, he
Yeah.
isn't." She was like ready to beat you up. She was like almost at your doorstep with like a punching thing, like
Wow,
boxing
I didn't
gloves
know
and
that.
all.
No, because listen,
Yeah,
it's
she was like,
I think not just for me. I think for everyone, it's easiest in the morning because at least for me, the house is like really silent.
Yeah, same.
yeah,
Because right now I'm sitting in the hall.
the
Normally I
lighting is
wouldn't be
nice.
able to, and the lighting is
Things
amazing.
get crazier by the
Hmm.
by the
Yeah,
evening.
yeah. As
Yeah,
soon as it
true.
strikes 12, the activity in the house just bumps up.
That's so true though. Like all of a sudden, it's just like some birthday party going on. Like it's so random.
And you guys also, this is something that you just told me. I just realized that you guys haven't slept.
We stayed
Why?
up all night.
Yeah.
We're shooting. We
Um.
started at around 9, and around
Mhm.
8 something you guys texted in the group chat saying, I saw the image you sent, and you were watching all the previous episodes, and
Yeah.
the time on the text was 5 a.m. and I was like, whoa,
Are
wait.
you some Sherlock Holmes? You even noticed that?
Yeah, of course I noticed that it was like 5 something and 5. I'm like, why is she okay? To be watching the
The
podcast
thing
is
is,
already a lot. To be watching it at 5 a.m.
no, the thing is, we had to do a
I started
research.
at 3. Sorry. It's okay.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
No, no, you can go.
Okay, just because I told you guys not to
Okay.
interrupt each other doesn't
Yeah,
mean
yeah, I
you.
was just gonna say,
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Ahmed was like, don't talk over
No, it's
each
all
other.
right.
And we're
Each
like, no,
other.
no, you go ahead.
Go.
You go first.
Anyway, Mariam, it's fine. You can continue.
Um, the thing is, I'm scared that like I won't be able to wake up when the alarm goes off. And then I end up just like missing the entire thing. And then I join, and by then you and Sanjana are already done. You guys did the podcast without me. Like I can't do that. And so I stayed up all night doing all my research and like watching everything. Like, okay, so this is how the conversation goes, and like I was super nervous. I don't even know
That
why.
I'm sorry. Like, I really appreciate the efforts, but then that wasn't research. That was just a waste of your time.
Me being like that was research, as if I did so much. Just like watch some of your
You
episodes.
probably
Like
just
I did
wanted to
so much
stay awake.
research.
You probably just wanted to stay awake, but you like, what should I do?
I do.
Why do you insult your own show so much? It's good though.
I
Show. Why
know.
am I saying show?
I don't. My
Not
show.
show, but like podcast show
Yeah.
on like
Yeah,
Netflix
but
or something. All of a
you,
sudden,
you know, actually, I don't. I really like what I get to work with and stuff like that. I do,
ah, so
but
it's
it's
just
just
you
that.
being like
Oh my god, fishing for
humble.
compliment. Not even humble,
Yeah,
just fishing
you'd be
for
like, oh my
compliment.
god.
Compliments, yeah.
It's just that y- I really like what I'm doing, and most of what it is like I'm really happy with. It's just that when you do something out of just not wanting to waste your time, and people are actually watching it, it's just
Hmm.
so like, whoa. I just did
Yeah,
something for like no reason, not for appreciation, but you are appreciating it.
yeah, that's the same thing with me. Like,
Yeah.
I don't like expect it. I don't
Hmm.
expect people to like react. Like, I
So
just do it.
yeah, so if someone's listening to this or watching this, you better know that Mariam has an IGTV where she does. How would you describe it? I would have said makeup tutorials, but it's not that.
Not
It's
really.
more than that.
It's more than that.
It's more like just talking and like saying stupid things.
While doing
It's
makeup.
like get ready with me, you know?
Oh yeah.
I
That
didn't
would-
expect the guys to like understand the what's the word thing called acronym. Like
yeah.
guys were like, what is GRWM? Like it's get ready with me.
Oh, I'm sorry,
Oh,
but I've never. Is that actually the title of your thing?
yeah, that's the thing. Like
Wow. I've
all
always
makeup
just
people,
watched. I've always just watched the video and never read the title.
you
It's like,
never
oh,
even
okay.
like bother to like read it.
No, because I
Like,
just jumped to the video and I remember seeing. I feel like I seen I saw the acronym, but I was like, must be some cool new word that I don't know about.
no, it's like a makeup thing. It's just like, oh, people
Hmm.
getting ready and all.
That's
But
actually.
I don't get that though.
Hmm.
Like, who does their makeup while watching someone else do their makeup? Like, no one actually gets ready with you.
Yeah. I don't know what. I mean, technically, what are you
I
painting?
don't know.
You're watching a tutorial and just painting.
Yeah, like some Bob Ross tutorial where you're just like watching him do something and you're doing the same thing.
Yeah, but no, do tell
Yeah.
me about like how you go about. First of all, let's just start off with how this came to you. Like, is it just out of boredom, or is it something that you felt like you wanted to do in your free time?
It's completely out of boredom. I wish I had some like amazing story behind it, like, you know, this happened and that happened and that's why I started this.
Yeah.
But there's literally nothing. It's just people were talking, like a lot of girls were like, oh, let's do like a makeup thing, like a makeup tutorial, whatever. And I was like, okay, like I'll try that. And I did. And the thing is, I wanted it to be like short and sweet, like just done. Like I didn't expect it to be like an IGTV. I just wanted it to be like I
Hmm.
don't know, like a small little post or whatever. But then and because I am so talkative, I was like just talking and talking, and then somehow it ended up being like 30 minutes long. And then I
Yeah.
edited it to like 18 minutes. And the people like loved it for some reason. It still doesn't hit me though.
You
Like it's
know.
weird. I just did it,
Yeah. That's
and
that's
everyone is like,
exactly
keep doing more.
that's exactly what I say when I talk about the podcast. That's why I don't say it out of like fishing for compliments, but I'm genuinely surprised because
Yeah, same.
yeah, because I know people normally look at views in the millions, but when the first episode of mine hit 100 views, I was like, oh my god, I'm Ellen,
That's
I'm
literally
Joe
me, though.
Rogan. But
That was me on my like group chat. Like Sanjana was there. I was like,
Yeah.
dude, I hit like 500 views. Oh my god, I'm like a social media influencer. Like I was like full on partying as if it's like the biggest deal.
yeah,
But
and
like,
yeah, so that's the thing. I think it's just, and you know, I as someone who watches your videos, I think I enjoy it because I see you enjoying it. I see
Oh.
you do.
oh my god,
No, I
that
see.
really made me tear up.
That's the title of the video.
Yeah,
Mariam
making Mariam
cries.
cry.
No, it's talking about Mariam's career. In the brackets, Mariam cries.
Guys.
Not brackets and like the asterisks.
Oh
But she
yeah,
cried.
sorry.
You know the
She cried.
YouTubers
Mariam
who do
cries.
And the thumbnail is
She
just
was scared.
highly. The thumbnail is so
With emojis.
concentrated with emojis, and you're
With
just like,
this emoji. It's so fake. It's so fake. J Station?
yes,
Yes.
yes.
Like it's so fake
I
though.
don't
It's
I don't watch
fake.
his channel. I don't watch his channel, but then I
Nah.
got to know about him through Kodiko.
Same. Kodiko, I love him so much. Him and
If I was to be a
I
YouTuber, aspire to be
religiously-
like him.
Ooh. Oh, he's so funny.
I mean, I might start commentary videos. Who knows?
Dude, commentary videos are in right now. Everyone does
Actually.
that. Like it's so trendy.
I feel like the moment I'll start, it'll just even Kodiko's doing something else. Nobody's
Yeah,
doing
yeah,
commentary videos.
Everything
It's
just
just me.
changes.
It's just me reacting to my own podcast.
Me
Let's-
reacting to my own podcast.
You know-
Podcast.
you know the those videos. I think who does it? Like, you know, this actor explains this scene. I think
Yeah. Is it like some variety or something?
Variety,
The name of
variety or
the
something,
channel?
something
Variety,
like
yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
channel
yeah.
does
Short
that,
by short or something.
short by short.
Yeah,
Yeah,
explaining a scene
yeah.
short by short.
It's me.
Yeah.
It's me on the podcast. Like, okay, let's stop right there. There you can see that's a hidden cut. It's a very clear cut. In middle of me speaking, it just cuts out, and I'm like, I don't know if many people don't notice, but that's a cut right there. I think it's in the editing work I
As
do.
you can see by her reaction, she seems uninterested. Like every single thing. It's the same scene, but like different views.
And then I take
Like
the
this is how
marker.
she reacted.
I take the marker and circle Miriam's teddy bear. I'm like, you can see that's sign of nervousness and anxiety.
You don't even need to like do that. Everyone already knows. You don't even need to circle it.
It's fine.
People
Just need
already
to.
get the vibe.
Yeah, I want the vibe to be relaxed and chill. That's the whole
I
point.
hate the word vibe.
I don't know. I'm
Sounds like-
actually kind of vibing with it.
It sounds like something like my chakras are aligning, like my aura is like
Yeah.
reflecting on you.
I
Like
think
you know
we
what I
should.
mean?
I think we should start.
Sounds so spiritual.
Yeah, is vibe and aura like synonymous? I think so. Vibe is.
I don't know.
think.
Don't like. Do they mean energy, right? Like
Yeah, and aura is
You
the
get?
same. Aura is the same as energy.
Aura is more like
A vibe.
a person's.
A person's
Aura is more
vibe.
like a vibe.
vibe.
No, vibe is different. I feel like vibe is like how you act with other people. Like you know how you, like when you're in a room filled with people. The vibe
I think
that
that's.
you
I
give
think.
off.
I think originally it's synonymous with aura, but I think the current. You know how words.
Yeah.
End up on social
Yeah.
media, and
They
now
probably
their
thought-
meaning.
Yeah.
Its meaning just changes over time. So I think right now vibe is not the same as aura, but I think originally it's
I think
supposed
they
to be.
probably thought aura was kind of hippie or like spiritual type.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they were like,
And they
let's
wanted-
just change it a little, like make it vibe.
Yeah, that's why. Okay,
Yeah.
no. The current meaning is nowhere close. Imagine if someone says, "Let's aura."
We are so aura-ing right
Oh my
now.
god, I didn't even realize that.
Yeah, I was
Let's
thinking of
aura.
that. Let's aura. Can
I was really auraing with her, like
Yeah, I love the. Okay, no, I was literally just gonna say I love the aura in this room, and that would make kind
Good
of
auras
sense.
only.
Good auras only.
That's the only.
isn't aura some sort of like light that a person gives off?
Whoa,
Yeah.
light.
Yeah. It's like some sort of camera picks it up. It's like if you have blue light around you, like this camera, it like
Oh,
captures the light.
maybe.
Oh yeah.
Blue
Maybe
means
yeah.
you're like
I'm
depressed.
thinking.
I don't know. I probably made that up, but I think blue means you're depressed.
I like how
yeah, I've
And
seen
red
that.
means you're
I like how I noted down the whole thing as to what we're going to talk about, and we've been talking about vibe and aura being synonymous or
Aura.
no for the past 5 minutes.
yeah.
And I'm not gonna
You know,
lie,
when
I
you
appreciate
divide-
that. Yeah, when I
when
divide,
you
there's gonna be a
divide it, you can
segment.
just
It's just aura
segment
versus vibe.
vibe/aura.
Vibe/aura.
Aura.
Oh my
That's
god.
actually nice.
What do
I
words mean?
What does this mean?
we don't know
You're
how to
adults trying
read.
to figure out what words mean.
So yeah, that's that. But then another thing, since we're talking about, oh, actually, you know what? Let's cut there for a while. Let's this is my sign
Let's
for cut for.
transition
Let's.
This is my sign for transition.
This is the T. This is not for timeout. It's transition.
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 If I
So
cut
now
it
we'll
out,
transition onto the next topic.
yeah. If I cut
And
out
then put
the
like stars.
if I cut out the whole part where you're making fun of my transitions, no one will understand what it is. They're just like, okay, just transition already. Why are they joking about the word transition?
Just like, what's going on?
Excuse me?
But I'm sure if people like watch all your podcasts, they know what's going on.
They'd get it, yeah.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
probably will. If they watch.
Like that's his tagline. You should be like dive into Converse, and then you should be like, so let's transition onto the next
That's my tagline.
episode or
becomes a-
something. That's your
It
tagline.
becomes a
Let's-
challenge. Like take a shot every time Ahmed says transition.
Transition.
People are dead within 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Full on blackout.
Not even blackout, just dead.
Your video is playing and someone's getting their stomach pumped.
Oh my God. No,
That's
because
so dark. I'm sorry for going there.
yeah, we love that energy though. So let's transition into the next. Let's transition on to what something else we wanted to discuss. And this one I have genuine doubts about, like questions that I want answered because my expectations were high. There was supposed to be another podcast, maybe a rival podcast, maybe a collaboration, who knows. Technically, you could call this a collaboration, right? What we're doing right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In a way,
Yeah. Yeah. If not with the podcast which never happened, at least with Mariam's IGTV.
Yeah.
This is a collaboration. Please
Yeah.
promote it. Please promote this on your IGTV. Please.
I will. I always promote your stuff though.
You
I
do.
always promote
You
it.
do. I really appreciate that. I never have to ask anyone. I try not to ask anyone to, like, obviously I do this story thing when I'm like, hey guys, watch it, share, like, subscribe. That's the like, share and subscribe is the tagline for every, like, all my stories. But then you just actually do it even before I post a story, and you know I've shot an episode. You just,
Yeah.
and I really appreciate that.
It's like he posted this 2 seconds ago, and I just like reposted. I don't even watch it.
Wait,
Like,
yeah,
posting
the story isn't even up yet. It's still uploading. It's like, no,
It's still
I
uploading.
sensed it. I sensed content coming my way.
The intuition.
So yeah, about the podcast, for those who didn't know that this was something that was about to happen, Mariam, Sanjana, and how many more people? Two more? Three more? Two more people. Two more friends of theirs were supposed to start their own podcast, which how much happened? Just explain it from scratch, even including things we probably didn't know about it, about what happened in the process.
We were like very well prepared to just start off. We had everything planned out. We had assigned roles for everyone. Like someone would edit it, someone would make sure that we're not going over the line. Someone would create artwork. We even created a logo and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I remember
But,
I looked at the podcast cover, you could say, and I was like, oh, they're serious.
Yeah.
They're serious about this.
We did so much work.
And then what happened?
Yeah.
But one of our creators, or I don't know what you would call them,
One of
but,
the friends who was supposed to be there, yeah.
friends who were supposed to be there couldn't get into it due to some personal reasons, and it just didn't feel right doing it without them. I mean,
yeah,
because
respect.
whatever we do, we almost do it together a lot of times. So yeah, it didn't sit right.
I'm sorry, but Sanjana's audio quality makes it looks like her voice is cracking.
Yeah, she's like, no, she probably is crying.
Oh my God. But
this is a
Probably
very
tearing up.
sensitive topic, guys. Please
Yeah.
now the title changes to both of them cry.
cry.
Both of them crying.
Ahmed makes
But
them
I
cry.
ended up looking like the ultimate clown because I didn't know that the one of our friends was gonna like back out, and I posted it on my story, and I had to take it down within like 5 minutes.
Exactly.
And everyone is like, oh my God, a podcast. I'm like, never mind. It's actually not. I was just kidding. With like cover art and everything. I was like, I'm just kidding. It was a prank.
It was fun. You guys created an Instagram page too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I remember.
Which got hacked.
Which got hacked, yeah.
Wait, what?
Because of me.
How? I don't know this.
Thing going around, like someone sent.
People were sending links
to
that I know.
girls.
That I know.
Yeah. And they were like, your pictures are online, and she used that account to sign in and see if her pictures were actually there.
Okay, but thank God I didn't use my own account.
Yeah, that's good. But then how exactly? What happened to the page then? Once, because I actually don't know.
So the thing is, this person.
Yeah.
This person sent me a link, and I was like, oh my God, no way. And like, I open it, and they asked me to log in, which why would Instagram ask me to log in again? Like, I'm literally going from Instagram.
Yeah.
So I was like, I did not remember my password. I would have probably logged in from my own account if I remembered my password.
Wow.
But I didn't. I remembered the podcast account one. And so I logged in, and nothing happened. Like it didn't show anything, and I told the guy, and he was like, "Oh, but it's working for mine." And then later on, the the friend who actually created the account, she texted us on the group being like, "Someone is trying to hack in from France," and we're like, what?" And like it was on, you get the email, right?
Yeah.
The
Anytime
verification
you get a
email or
login,
whatever.
yeah.
Logged into your account, yeah.
Oh
That
wow.
person probably had VPN or something,
Hmm.
but they gave out like the phone model number. Like we know everything,
Okay.
but like yeah. And all of a sudden, I'm just like, thank God. I was so happy that I didn't
Actually,
use my own
yeah.
account. I felt like a genius. Like that was the first time I was like, wow, I'm so smart.
Nobody, everybody thinks, wow, Mariam, that's so smart of you to,
I was so
use
smart.
another account. It's like, oh my God, yeah, nobody knows you forgot your original password.
My own password.
But wow,
Yeah.
that was really close call because I remember the whole thing going on and me just thinking, I
Hmm.
hope nobody falls for this. Anybody sends you a link which is just out of nowhere with no context,
Yeah.
especially with if the context is given, especially if it's like that, it's just nope, don't. Probably
That was
confirm.
the whole thing was like horrifying. It was
It was
horrifying because I
everywhere. It
remember
was
like
everywhere.
it was everywhere, and also the group chat that we had, one of our friends actually got hacked, and she's
Hmm.
so dumb. Like we literally told her the other day that I got hacked. She's like,
Yeah.
oh, okay. While she gets hacked afterwards, like she
Yeah.
opens the link. So
She's like,
then
I
she
didn't
gets
send
hacked,
those
and
messages. It
yeah,
was not me.
she sends it on our group. So on our group, this person who hacked her account was like, "Oh, open this link." And we're like, "Why would I open that? We literally like know that that was the link that like
Yeah.
is this itchy link." And she just left us on scene. And then like after 5 or 10 minutes, she woke up from her sleep and she's just like, "That wasn't me. I didn't say any of that."
Ooh.
Like, yeah,
Hmm.
it was like something out of a movie.
That's
Actually, my
yeah.
life is just so boring. Anything happens, I'm like, "Oh my God, it's something out of a
that
movie."
was a movie.
Yeah,
Your
not even a big deal.
cereal bowl falls down in the morning. You're like, oh my God, I almost died.
Oh my God. Dhumta na na na, dhumta na na. Like you sound like Hindi serial.
So yeah, and just okay. So if let's say you were to probably come back for a podcast, would you come back for a podcast if your friend was up for it still? Like
Definitely.
now if she was to say, you know what,
Yes,
it's everything sorted out, whatever, and let's do the podcast, would you guys do it?
I would for sure.
I would, yeah.
Like,
Nice. So what were
I
your
was
plans?
pumped for it.
So
Super
what
excited.
were did you guys think of the podcast like long term, or was it just we'll do it and then that's it?
Um,
Uh,
we didn't really think about it like that. We kind of just like we did like plan 3 episodes ahead. Like
Oh wow.
we didn't even like start the thing and we're like, oh, these are the topics that we want to do.
Hmm.
And we had like everything planned out. Like the
They
first
would.
episode would be like us introducing ourselves and like each other as friends, and you know how like
Hmm.
4 people in a group are, they always have this like, it's very like common personalities. Like I don't know how to explain it, but like in like a 4 people group, there's always the mother of the group. There's
Hmm.
always the wild child, like the free spirited one.
Yeah.
There's the one that calms everyone down. When there's some fight going on, there's like, no, no, like the mediator or whatever.
Hmm. Yeah.
And then there's the other one who's like the youngest one, who's literally a bully.
that's me.
So you
And
had
that's Sanjana. That's
ah,
Sanjana.
which one are
She's
you?
the youngest one in the group. I'm probably the free spirited one. Like
Ah,
I'm like the wild child.
yeah, your aura,
Just like, yeah,
your
my vibe.
Aura.
the vibe.
My chakras are aligning with everyone.
It
So
was
that's
the peacekeeper who actually couldn't go
Yeah.
ahead with it, so
turn
it
up,
would have
yeah.
just been chaotic
Yeah,
if the three of us went.
it would have been
Full
like
on
those
NDTV
NDTV.
Yeah.
Oh my God, we said the same thing. It
Yeah,
literally would have been though.
yeah.
Stop screaming, stop screaming.
Because I was really looking forward to it. I saw the whole thing because I remember I was actually shooting the first episode at that time. And you guys were coming up with and Anushka, she sent a screenshot in our group chat and she was like, guys, there's another podcast. And the thing is, when it's something like this, I'm doing it out of fun. So I'm not that competitive about it. So
Yeah.
Anushka told me, oh my God, these guys are coming up with another podcast. And in my head, I knew I wanted to do another, like, sometime soon I wanted to do an episode with Mariam. And I was like, you know what? I can see that. I can see that happening. She does her own
Yeah.
podcast, and then we eventually collaborate, and then boom, we both blow up. But
Yeah,
yeah.
you even said that to me that day. Like you replied and you were like, let's
Oh
like,
yeah, I think
collaborate and
let's
stuff.
let's collaborate. Yeah, because
The thing is, that's like I didn't expect that. I kind of thought people were going to be competitive about it because like another group of friends thought about
of
doing a
yeah,
podcast
yeah,
as
yeah.
well. So I thought everyone's just going to be super competitive, but
Mm.
like you were like super nice and all.
Nee, thank you.
I don't want to be like, I don't want to,
I don't want to compliment you on your own podcast.
compliment you like you. Just kidding. No, you were super nice. You were like, let's collaborate and it'll be a lot of fun and all
Yeah,
that. I was like,
and
oh,
Anushka
okay,
hated
nice.
that. Anushka hated it. Anushka was just
Anushka's
saying,
such a spy. She asked us for all the details and then she went and told you. Wow.
yeah, she does that way too often because she forgets that it doesn't matter that it's her episode, it's still on my channel. So
Yeah.
no matter
Yeah.
where the views goes, they're still coming to me. so
She's just like so overprotective.
yeah, she just sent me she just told me that, hey dude, look at this, it's starting their own podcast. I'm like, hey, that's great. And she's like, no, that isn't great.
Wow.
Wow.
I did not know about this.
But
Yeah.
no, obviously
Things
she
won't be
means
the
it.
same now.
She does oh no,
Things won't be the same now.
did I just start a
We
clash?
kick her out of the
You
group
just
chat.
started something, Ahmed.
I
Yeah.
just started something. But no, I understand
Yeah.
that she does it out of like how do you say it? A good, I feel like saying aura for every word I can't think of.
Oh my god.
I'll just
This
say aura.
episode, like in the previous ones, you were like transition, and this one it's like
And this
aura.
one is aura.
Alright.
You have like one common phrase in every, not
Yeah.
phrase, like word in every
Word.
single
Episode.
episode.
But
Why
no,
did you
she,
say word like that? You were just like word.
word.
Word. All of a sudden, I'm just like talking. You have a common word, and you're just like word.
Word. But I think she does it out of good heart. She's because out of the whole after everything she says, she's like, no, but you need to be competitive. You need to have a spirit like that. Blah, blah. She says, but it's fine as long as we're doing well.
Yeah.
I mean, I, it's fine. Like being competitive is fine. I don't really
Yeah,
mind it.
but that's
I feel
what
like
I find
I'm
funny.
competitive sometimes as well.
That's what I find funny about it. She does this whole segment where she's just like, come on, Ahmed, you gotta start taking this seriously. You gotta make more episodes and this and that. We gotta release this. And after all that, she just bears me saying, you know what, it's fine. Let everybody do what they're doing. And, we're having fun. And, I'm not competitive. After all that and hyping me up, when I maybe start getting like, you know what, okay, maybe I should be serious. She just goes, but it's fine.
Fine.
It's fine. Let
She
them do
just
their
calms
thing.
herself down.
Yeah, after hyping me up. But I
She
was
actually gave all her aura to you. Like kind of like
See,
a vibe
aura's back
transitioning.
again. Aura's back.
Aura's back.
I swear, if I don't put aura in the title of this video, before posting it, please remind me. Aura will have to be in the title.
Dive into Converse
It was
in brackets aura.
Aura. Because normally I try to make my titles like this, and this. Dive into Converse episode, whatever. This one's gonna be something, and aura has to be there.
It's not even something. It's literally aura. Like that's the only thing we've been talking about. We've been talking about like
aura
the past.
and auras. Dive into Converse
So what is the
episode 5.
difference between aura and vibe? Like we had that conversation
about that
longer
for-
than any of the other conversations.
Yeah,
we discussed new words.
we discuss. So yeah, I think that's something we can. Oh my god, I want to say aura.
That's something we could aura.
No, I wanted to say that's something we could vibe on, but instead of vibe, I was about to say aura. We need
Oh my
to
God.
stop. This meeting is gonna end in 2 minutes. I need to start another
really?
segment.
Because we don't have premium, we're broke.
We don't have premium. We don't have money.
People flagged
No.
this video because there's the word aura so many times.
Oh my god.
This video is
yeah.
flagged.
What if
It's been deleted by YouTube.
Yeah, if you guys where are my words? If you guys have seen till this part, comment aura so that I know you've been watching, so that I know that we're vibing. That's what I mean.
Yes.
Or send
And-
an SMS to 500 500.
Send SMS aura AURA. Wait, is that the right spelling?
Yeah.
People actually do it.
No, is it the right AURA?
Yeah, it's the right spelling. Yeah.
Yeah, AUR.
I got 98 in English, guys. Peace out.
Wow.
Whoa, oof, 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 oof.
Spells aura.
Comment,
Not sure how
comment
to
if you're
spell.
team aura or team vibe.
Team aura or team vibe?
Oh yeah.
Let's start the hashtag. Shooting a 45-minute thing and then expecting to be able to edit it alone is just too much work, because there's so much just so much content to filter through, and you need to, if you're making a podcast, you need to make it to the point. Or maybe
Yeah.
even if you're drifting off topic, it better be like an interesting thing or a fun thing, so you know you should keep it. And to know that, you need to watch the whole thing over and over again. That's probably why editing takes so long. I feel like if I
Thing
ever
is, for
make
you, it's like 2 or 3 hour long of like footage, right?
yeah
The footages are like
2 hours to
What
almost
do
2 hours to a little over 2 hours.
that must be so hard to edit.
It
Like that's literally
is,
tiring me
it's-
out just like thinking about that.
thought process.
The editing part is really hard, actually. I didn't expect it to be that hard. That's the thing.
Yeah, that's true. I had no idea. I thought it would be much easier than it actually was. And then doing your first proper video edit, and then for that video to be 2 hours long, and then cutting that.
Thing is,
Imagine the amount of crap that we must have spoken about for me to always be able to cut a 2-hour footage down to 45 minutes or 50 minutes.
45 minutes.
So
That's the thing. It's like there are a lot of things that you want, like, to be a part of the podcast, like a lot of fun topics or whatever you've discussed. But then you have to cut it down because you can't have it that long.
I've actually never done that.
Really?
I expect that to happen with me, but then no, I actually try to increase the runtime. If you look at the episodes, I happen to notice this out of nowhere. The runtime is, the first episode is 45 minutes, then it goes to 50 minutes, and then it's 55 minutes. It's
Damn.
just a weird. Yeah, I didn't notice that before. It's something like that, but the runtime keeps on increasing, and
Increasing,
I'm hoping it does, and people do manage to still listen a decent part of it. And a friend of mine was telling me that her habit is just to listen to the thing, but on like 1.5x speed, because she thinks
Oh my God.
because she thinks I speak too slow.
No, you don't.
She's like, I
I
want to
don't think
listen
you
to it,
do.
but like, quick.
I just want to get it done with. Like,
With,
yeah.
Personally,
Just want
as
to be
much
like,
as
oh yeah, I can listen to it.
yeah, as much as I appreciate like views on YouTube and stuff, I would rather recommend listening to a podcast on any other platform. We're on so many other platforms. You can catch Dive into Khanus on Spotify, Google Podcasts,
Oh,
Pocket
it just
Casts.
starts like a random shout out. Just like randomly starts self
Just a
promoting. I'm just sitting here like,
shameless plug-in of my own podcast on my own podcast.
yeah, the thing is, I'm just like listening to the story or whatever, and all of a sudden you're like, you can catch it on
Catch it
Spotify,
here.
and all of a sudden it was so random. I actually like watching podcasts rather than listening. I don't know why.
I listen to podcasts only when I'm doing something. So before, like, I mean, I haven't worked out in like 70 years, but then when I do, I listen to podcasts.
Shut up. Shut up. I haven't worked out in 70 years. Post like skipping rope videos every other day. Such.
That's my brother.
Literally, no. Oh, shit. Oh my, not again, not again.
Not again. That's my brother. Come on.
Oh god.
He does
I have
that.
nothing to say. I'm speechless.
People
No, but like, it's not like
apparently,
you don't work out.
yeah, obviously 70 years. But in the past few days, I haven't. So, but then when I do, I listen to a podcast. Even if it's on YouTube, I just play the thing and I'm just doing my own thing and just listening to it.
Really?
But-
I thought
Yeah.
like people would like to listen to like more, type music.
Yeah,
like
I
that.
used to do that. I used to do that a
Okay.
lot, but I realized that you're more invested in a conversation, listening to a conversation, than music.
Really?
Yeah, I feel like that because I sometimes forget that
You're listening to
I'm.
music.
Yeah, it just becomes, it literally becomes background music then.
Yeah.
I'm doing my thing and I know there's just
Ah.
music playing in the background.
Yeah.
But when it's a podcast, you need to pay attention, or at the same time, it's almost it's almost
But I
making
feel
your
like
job
It's
tougher.
But I feel like Indian gyms, I just have to say this, Indian gyms have the best background music. Baby doll in the middle of like using treadmill, you hear baby doll. I swear, I went like for 2 or 3 days, and it was the most random playlist, like as if I'm in some club or something.
I
All of a
used
sudden, it's
to,
like baby doll.
yeah, when I used to go to the gym I used to, the sentence formation is just all over the place. Uh,
Can't
I said
form a
I said
sentence
I said
properly.
past, present, future all in just like 2 sentences. The gym I used to go to had Coffee with Karan playing on the TV. I'm like, should I work out or should I listen to the gossip?
The gossip. And the questions are so random. Imagine you
I
working out and
know.
there's like, if you were at gunpoint, who would
Point.
even
I,
even
I,
I'm
I
just
feel like this is PG-13, so
I'm
I'm not
just
going to complete the
yeah,
question.
exactly. I'm just completing my
Yeah.
workout. Even I stopped. I'm like, who would he though?
What are you doing with?
I'm doing my
Oh my
thing. I'm
god,
like,
Ritik
whoa.
Roshan would do it with this person? No way.
Uh,
All of a
but
sudden, I just sit on the treadmill and like watching the TV.
yeah, you want to work out on the bench, but you just sit, now you're just sitting on the bench watching TV.
Sitting on the bench.
For this topic, you guys wanted to speak about this when you texted me, was about how bad movies are these days. Not just movies, probably Netflix originals, you could say.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
Why?
definitely.
And give examples if you want to, if you want to risk it, because there might be some fanboys and fangirls out there. Who knows?
I really just don't care. Like, if it's bad, it's bad.
Bad.
What is bad is bad, and I'll point it out.
I'll point it out. I really just don't care. Sanjana Behena, do you want to start out?
Uh, no, actually, I think I'll let you begin. I have.
Because
I have
Okay,
no
okay.
idea
look,
how
I'll
to
just start.
off.
I'll help you guys out with just one movie I know, which is just plain horrible. That's 365 Days.
Oh
That
my
was the thing.
God.
That was the first movie that came to mind. I swear to God. I swear to God, that's the first thing that came to mind.
When I was writing on this, Netflix is crap. The movie I was thinking of is 365 Days.
Same, same. And the fact that there are
What?
people who actually recommend that, like,
I
oh, what
know.
should I watch on Netflix? I'm bored. Oh, watch
No.
365 Days. I'm like,
365 days.
are you stupid? Are you stupid?
No, I thank the Lord every day to have friends who don't recommend me 365 Days.
You know, it's
Same.
a 13-year-old's Harry Styles fan fiction come to life. He's Italian.
See,
Harry Styles is
that's
British,
the
but he's
thing.
Italian here. He's an Italian mafia leader.
Dude,
It's
that's the
Harry
thing.
Styles, but he's Italian.
I say this to everyone, like after watching the movie, I'm just like, I'm surprised that in the credits it wasn't like written by Choke Me Daddy, Harry 68, like, you know what I mean? Like some Wattpad fan fiction name. I always say that.
We
And the
we have
thing
to
is,
we
it's
have to
just-
talk about this after the fan fictions.
Yes.
So anyway,
Yes.
keep going.
Yes.
Yeah. So
The-
what about three?
The thing is, 365 days really just did not have to be in English. Like, you could have done it in like Italian or whatever because the English was so bad. Especially
it's
the
in-
line when the girl says,
Yeah, because
who
he's
the,
Italian
like, instead of
and
who
she's
the hell
Polish.
are you? Yeah, I mean, like, you didn't have to make I don't know. But like, the line was, who the hell are you? But she said, who the hell you are, or something like that in the middle of like an argument. And when I say, like, I cringed so hard, like my fingers were like this. Like,
No,
I was like, oh, I can't watch this anymore.
it's in English.
This is way too
I did
much.
not know that.
You didn't watch the movie?
A few
No,
of the
am I
dialogues are
dumb?
in English.
Like, no, haram and all. But it's
There's
so.
this one scene that irks me so much. He goes like, I would never touch you without your consent. He says that while he's
And then
touching
pushes her
without
around.
consent.
And then literally like picks her up like a potato sack. Like, what
And
does
then
this
just
mean?
throws her
Like,
down.
throws her down. It's so. And honestly, let me tell you
And she's
something.
okay with it.
And she's
She's
okay
like,
with
okay,
it.
fine.
You know, this is like a full, that's the thing, it's literally Stockholm syndrome. Like,
Exactly.
it's glorifying Stockholm
Yeah.
Stockholm
syndrome. Like,
syndrome.
I'm not
Look,
even going to talk about the boat scene. Let's not even talk about that.
Let's
yeah,
not.
yeah. That's why I was preparing to
Oh,
jump
boats
onto
are
something, jump
boats
to
are not the
something.
same anymore. Boats
Boats
are
are
not
not
the
the
same
same anymore.
anymore.
Also, I know if I say this, I'm going to get hate, but I genuinely don't find Massimo
That guy
attractive.
attractive. Oh my god.
Exactly, same.
See, I feel like like Sanjana and I were having a conversation about this. Guys who are just hot are not attractive. Like, you need to have a personality, like be funny or like, you know,
You know, maybe
I don't
that's a
know.
personal choice, but buff guys,
Yeah.
like jock type guys, they just don't do it for me.
Anyway, now
God.
the topic we actually wanted to talk about. You have been desperate for this,
Yes.
and
Yes.
probably I want to point this out. I realized I was just going through the analytics for the video for my channel, and most of my audience is female, so they're going to be pretty hyped for this too. Because literally each one of my friends, everyone I know, just loves fan fictions and One Direction separately. But when both of them come together, is when you truly find a very specific fan base. I'm running. I've run out of
I'm
words.
not. You're just speechless.
I'm
I was
just
like, okay, fine,
speechless.
I'll have to say something.
Yeah.
I'm not like a One Direction fan. One Direction or Direction?
Direction.
Direction.
Okay.
Now you've
American
confused me.
English.
Yeah, American English. And
Direction is also a thing, right? I don't know.
direction is British. If I'm right, don't.
Okay. I mean,
Please
they
fact
are British, so
Yeah, One Direction.
Direction.
One, but
I've
you
never
say it in the
really
Asian accent. One Direction.
Direction.
One Direction.
Okay, yeah. Sorry.
I've never been like a One Direction or like a what is it? What are they called? Directioner or
Directioner.
directioner,
I
whatever.
have no idea.
I've never been that kind of person. I
Mhm.
listened to them. I listened to their music when they were like, you know, super popular.
Yeah.
But I've never like all my friends are just like, oh my god, Harry Styles, Zayn Malik, and I'm like, okay, like good. Like
Yeah,
I never cared that
just
much.
I used to, yeah, same thing with me, but I just very recently started listening to Harry Styles, and I do like it a lot. I'm liking it a lot.
Yeah,
Anyway,
same.
the fan
Um,
fictions.
The fan fiction.
That's what we're concentrating on.
It's
So yeah, do your and it's not just
Sanjana,
One
this
Direction
is,
if
I
I'm
feel
right.
like no,
Is
no,
this-
it isn't.
Because I just
There's
know One Direction and Tom Holland.
yeah,
Yeah.
those are the most popular ones, but there's also the
Ones, yeah.
K-pop ones that are super popular.
Oh, that I do
Yeah.
not know. That
Yeah.
that's uncharted
feel like-
territory.
Dude, K-pop ones are so popular. I'll tell you why. Because you can cut this out because if this gets hate, then I'm not ready for it. The thing is, they are normally like they have this like set image to show on camera. Like you can't, you know how in American whatever celebrities they can cuss on camera, they can do whatever, they can date
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
freely. In K-pop, you can't do that. You can't date people. It's like it's banned. You can't date people because you have all these girls like dying for you, like dying over you.
Oh wow.
And if you end up dating someone, it's gonna ruin the, you know, the popularity.
Not only
Yeah.
that, but considering the fan base they have, the person who he or she is dating might even get a lot of hate for it.
Exactly.
A
Yeah.
lot of hate, a lot of hate. And the thing is, normally, right, these fans expect K-pop, they're called idols, by the way, not like celebrities, they're called idols.
Oh wow.
So they expect K-pop idols to like date the fans rather than another celebrity.
Celebrity, yeah.
And so when they do end up like, you know, getting caught in like a dating scandal with another celebrity, it's like a huge deal. And it's like the girl always gets the most amount of hate.
Wow.
Because normally, like for guys, like girls are very passionate about being a fan. I feel like guys don't care as much. But girls are very passionate, and like they kind of get possessive over these guys. And then when they end up dating someone, the girl that they're dating, it's over for them.
That's crazy.
And so because they have such a clean image on camera, a lot of people make these fan fictions where it's like inappropriate, like not inappropriate, like 18 plus
Yeah, yeah,
fan fiction, and like people love to read them.
I did not know that. Because the
I
whole
when
K-pop
I
thing,
tell
I had
you,
no idea. Hmm.
yeah, Anushka, Sanjana, another friend of mine, another friend of ours, and me, we have like a group chat on just like K-pop stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like Anushka is, you say one thing bad, she'll murder everyone,
She'll blow
and
up.
Look, I
she'll dox your address to like these K-pop people on Twitter. It's over for you. It's
yeah,
over.
I just she recommended a lot of songs and stuff because she got really passionate, and I think I said
Mhm.
what I believe is just so. It's my favorite line. I've probably it's just two texts I sent to her in the group chat itself. I tried to K-pop, but I immediately K-stopped. I just said that,
I saw
I
that
remember
tweet.
that.
I
I
saw
remember
that
and I
that.
tweet.
tweeted it too. Yeah, I tweeted it too,
Yeah.
and with no context, and I was just like, my job here is done. I explained myself, and that's it.
Did you get hate?
Not at all.
That's surprising. On Twitter,
She's like,
I
Mariam,
was
what?
like,
How?
did you see Mariam's face? Mariam just had this. She Mariam just had this
I was
face.
expecting.
The state she was in. That's just shock. State of shock. She paused. She started lagging. That wasn't her video. For those who were watching on YouTube and they're seeing the
I
video,
glitched.
that wasn't her video lagging. It was her life, her personality,
Yeah, I'm
it
shocked.
was her soul lagging.
My soul just left. No,
I-
it's just like on Twitter, it's surprising. Like like I like K-pop, but like Twitter K-pop people,
Oh my god, yeah.
they no way. I'm not messing with those people. They can murder me in my sleep. Like
No,
I'm fine.
honestly, I feel like I could be less controversial talking about politics right now than K-pop.
K-pop. True.
Because it's
True.
crazy. It's crazy how much. I think I just know they're called K-pop stands or something like that. Is
Yeah,
that right?
Yeah.
I don't know the lingo. Yeah.
K-pop.
Yeah. So I haven't had a dangerous encounter yet. But what if nobody
Um,
noticed the tweet, but somebody watches this and then goes to the tweet?
yeah, and then like leaves hate. The thing is, K-pop is actually like really nice. There's like a lot of different like type of music, like genres within
Hmm.
K-pop.
Hmm.
But the problem is most people don't get into it because of the fan base, because of how toxic they can be, and like how
Yeah.
it's almost like you can't listen to any other music but K-pop. Like that's the kind of
Yeah.
fan base
Yeah.
that we have.
It's a very
You know, it's
yes.
very like I feel like that's the main reason why people don't listen to K-pop. Other than the fact that they're East Asian and they're like, oh my god, how are they? Oh, these people, they're doing music. They look like girls. Like, okay.
No, I think it's not. I think it's not that. I think what you said is right. Maybe if it was like a few years ago, the whole East Asian thing would have been a problem. But I don't think that's the problem anymore. I think it's just the fan base which, instead of having people
Very toxic.
join them, just pushes them away
Mhm.
from K-pop.
I don't know if you know about
Yes.
this. It was very popular.
What?
There's this one group called Blackpink.
Yeah, I know about them.
They even like performed in Coachella or whatever. So they like recently, like they barely come out with any music. By the way, I love Blackpink. Anyone says anything bad about, I'm gonna shoot them. But
I do.
I
they barely
hate
come out with.
Blackpink.
I
Mariam's hand just
Yeah,
comes out of the
coming over.
camera and just
And there's a knock on your door, me with like a machete.
while you're still on the video call.
video call.
I send a hitman.
Yeah, keep going.
So they barely come out with any music, and they like come out with music like once a year because the agency is like the worst. So they came out with like a new song, like a few months back, maybe like 1 or 2 months back,
Hmm.
and it hit it broke all records. Like
I-
the fastest video to like hit 100 million
I
views.
think I know about this. I think I know about this. And when it blew up, I was familiar with it.
Yeah, it was a huge thing. But what happened was this was very controversial. especially within Indians. So
Mhm.
one of the members, so some groups, like normally in K-pop, it's groups rather than solo artists.
Hmm.
So in some groups, there are foreign members who are not Korean. They're like from Thailand or like Philippines, like
Yeah.
Vietnam, places like that. So one of the members, she's Thai, and she's obviously like Buddhist. But there was like a Ganesh statue on the floor, like right next to her, and like she
Oh.
wore shoes near them. And all. I'm not religious at all. Like I'm very agnostic. I don't like know about all
Yeah.
this.
Triggered.
But yeah, I didn't see it as big of a deal. Maybe it was, like, I don't know,
Yeah.
but it was on the floor and like right next to her, and she had her shoes, like she was sitting on a throne and the thing was on the floor. I mean,
Oh.
the statue was on the floor.
Okay.
So people were pissed. They were very pissed, and because like she's Buddhist, obviously like Hinduism and Buddhism is like very similar.
Yeah.
Buddhism came out of Hinduism, right?
Yeah.
So we share like a lot of similar gods and all
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
So people were blaming her for not realizing. People were blaming the agency for not doing proper research and like using Indian culture as a prop
I
and
think I
everything. And it
think
was
I
a
know about
huge
this.
deal.
I think it blew up on Twitter and Instagram,
yeah.
I think. But Twitter,
Yeah,
I
I
do
remember
remember
it
seeing
was
it.
a huge deal.
many accounts getting hacked
Hmm.
and their addresses being leaked. And
Yeah, that's what I was
the
going to get
dark
at.
the dark part is it's like people who were speaking out against this were the ones who were being hacked and like getting their
Oh.
addresses leaked. Yeah.
That's what I was saying. Like the fans are toxic. Like some of these Blackpink stans doxed addresses of like the people who were speaking out, and they were like not being rude or anything. They were
Rude or
just like, "This
anything,
is
yeah.
not right. You can't use our god like that or whatever." So their
Hmm.
addresses got leaked. They were like, people were like, oh, nobody even cares about this god or whatever. Like this god worships this artist. Like it was very toxic. It was very bad, and people were pissed. It was like a huge war.
And then
The
these
K-pop
Wow.
people fought
fans,
back and like hacked the toxic
their
people's
account.
accounts. I remember someone tweeting like, "God, I'm really scared. Someone hacked into my account." Like this person was being very toxic online, but still,
Threatening.
that's kind of too much.
That's
You know.
yeah. I knew about it to a certain extent, but not this much.
Yeah,
That's
like
crazy, dude.
K-pop fans are crazy. Like I like K-pop, and I'm always like, oh, I'm not gonna say anything, like anything about K-pop. There's nothing I can say, no matter how much I love them. Like,
I mean,
you
I
know,
know about the good stuff they've done a. I remember the
the
whole
Trump
the
thing.
Trump thing. Yeah, they booked so many seats and nobody turned up. I remember that.
Yeah.
But
Oh, I loved that one.
yeah, but this I know they don't have the best what did they say
Reputation.
reputation, but it was this far. I had no idea.
Yeah. I mean,
That's
every community has like extremists. Every single
Yeah.
community.
yeah, probably
That's one, yeah.
But
yeah,
I
but
don't,
I
I don't
think
think it's okay to judge all of them based on like a
True.
few bad people.
Like generalization is just not
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
you can't expect to not have that here, but then do it to them.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys, for taking your time out for this thing, staying up with the whole night, which wasn't needed at all, and studying the podcast.
Thank you for having us.
Because exactly.
Hey, so yeah, it was
Oh, like,
great.
share, subscribe,
Subscribe.
hit the bell hit the bell button
Icon.
to get notifications.
Notifications.
I always wanted to say that.
Yeah, well, now you have. I
And
never
then you
do my
have the
own.
bell
Yeah, the
icon.
bell icon and the ting sounds. But yeah, so that's probably.
and the ting
I never
sound.
do my
And
own
it, like,
outro,
rings
so
a little.
thank you. So yeah,
Okay.
bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for this.